A sea of union placards flooded council's courtyard. Inside workers taking industrial action outside.
Council has tried to divide and conquer the workforce by, offering a larger increase to the outdoor members.
We think they deserve every penny that is being offered to them. Our members just want some of that bucket, some of the pie.
Union representatives say council's so-called final pay offer of 14% over 3 years fails to reflect the vital services workers provide to the community and don't make up for lost wages as cost of living surges.
There hasn't been anything for a few years now, and in real terms that means our wages have basically gone backwards.
Division 5 councillor Rob Pyne and Leichhardt's Matt Smith also among the workers showing their support.
Deserve a realistic pay rise that keeps up with cost of living. You've given this city enough, and I thank you for it.
Workers who attended today's industrial action were told via email that they'd be locked out of council, missing out on 2 hours of pay for participating.
If you can't negotiate a good enough wage increase, then you negotiate your own by leaving, and that's what a lot of people are walking out the door here, unfortunately.
And while negotiations are continuing, the union promises to take its fight for fairer pay to the Commission if council doesn't budge. Cara Welburn, 7 News.